Hi guys, this is Brittany Powers, and this is my personal goals video presentation. So I'll start my presentation by sharing a little about my personal life, and to organize that, I created a top 10 list because I also enjoy lists. The most important thing in my world, the top of my list, is my family. So I added my family photos to the center of this slide. In this picture down here, it's myself, my dog Archie, and my husband Bob. And the photo above is myself and my two nephews, David and Andrew. Another thing very important to me is my faith, so I added this image down here in the corner. Also, my work. So I teach first grade in the Blue Valley School District. This is my second full year of teaching. And I work at a school called Wolf Springs Elementary. So this is a photo of our building right here. In my spare time, I love being with my friends, reading, and being active, as well as being active outside. So I added an image of someone jogging. And here's a photo of a beautiful outdoor area. It's actually on the coast of California. I also enjoy music, both listening to music and playing music. It helps me to cope and reflect, and it's inspiring to me. I also love design, so decorating my house and changing things around all the time. I have a lot of fun with that. And the last thing on my list, probably last because I get to do it the least, is traveling. I do love traveling very much. I just don't get to do it nearly as much as I would like to. So this photo is actually on the coast of California, and I spent a few days just driving the entire coast. It was one of the most fun times ever. Next, let's talk a little bit about my personal goals. So I've broken them into shorter term goals, and as the slide progresses, it goes into my longer term goals. So my goals for myself in the next 1 to 5 years are to prioritize health and important relationships. I also want to build a home that's inviting and refreshing. So I mentioned that I enjoy design earlier. I'm in the middle of renovating my first ever home right now. And my last for short-term goals is to own 2 dependable cars, one for myself and my husband. In the next 6 to 10 years, I do hope to build a family. And beyond 10 years, I hope to focus on financial stability, so paying off my student loans and paying off our home, things like that. Next, I'll discuss some of my professional goals, and I'll also share some of my shorter term goals, and I'll move into my longer term goals. So in the next 1 to 5 years, I do hope to complete my master's degree here at Fort Hays in educational leadership. Beyond that, I hope to complete a doctorate in educational leadership, and I'm pretty interested in the program at Kansas University right now. And most importantly, in this part, I hope to stay teachable. No matter how much I learn in any of my programs, I don't ever want to take myself too seriously. In the next 6 to 10 years, I will start thinking about pursuing leadership roles. And again, I hope I stay teachable then too. Beyond 10 years, hopefully I am in a leadership role at that point, and if I am, hopefully I will be enjoying it and continue in that role and just continue to get better and develop and learn all the time. Beyond that, I would like to teach part-time at a college or university, share some of what I'm learning in my school and in my classrooms with other new teachers. And again, I hope that I stay teachable no matter what, no matter how I learn, no matter where I go. I hope there's never a day where I choose to stop learning. Why did I choose Fort Hays? The first reason I chose Fort Hays was the basic structure and flexibility of the program. It's So I felt confident about the courses I saw listed and outlined in the program of study, but I also liked that there were so many options. There were some fast-paced courses in the summer and in intersession periods, and I thought that was a really nice opportunity to be able to go at your own pace or accelerate if you had the free time and wanted to do that. I also liked that there was an option that was completely online. So I live a few hours away from Fort Hays, and I have actually never attended the campus. So the first time I'll step foot on the campus, the physical campus, will be when I graduate from this program. So that was very convenient. Next was affordability. So I looked at lots of different colleges, and I liked the way the program was laid out, but I also found that it had some of the more competitive tuition and scholarship opportunities compared to other schools. And I also liked that you did not have to buy many textbooks. So all in all, that's why I chose Fort Hays, and it's been a great journey, and I've loved every minute of it. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best.